3 million users, 48 million in revenue, all without spending $1 in ad. What if I told you Dropbox's secret weapon was a simple explainer video? Hey everyone, today we are diving into the mind-blowing story of how Dropbox exploded to hundreds of millions of users using just one video, and how you can do the same for your business. When Dropbox first launched, they had a super simple homepage, just a video and a download button. But here's where things get crazy. Initially, they spent $233 to $388 per customers using Google Ads. Not sustainable, right? So they switched gears with a brilliant referral program. Users got free extra storage when they invited friends. People loved it. In just 30 days, 2.8 million invitations went out. And Dropbox's user base went viral, and it didn't cost them a dime. But that wasn't all. Dropbox added a 120-second explainer video on their homepage. This video increased signups by 10%. You may think 10% isn't much, but that means 10 million extra users. With each new user estimated to generate $4.80 in revenue. That's an extra 48 million, all from one simple video. So why did this video work so well? It's brain science. People retain 58% more information from video compared to text. And video increased purchase confidence by 85%. Plus, videos are shared way more often, making them perfect for viral growth. Think about it. A 2-minute video costing under $50,000 turned into 10 million customers. That's the power of a good explainer video. Now here's where it gets exciting. If you want to harness the power of explainer videos, just like Dropbox did, Videoters has got you covered. We specialize in creating compelling explainer videos designed to skyrocket your conversions and turn your brand into the next viral sensation. Whether you are a startup or an established brand, our team at Videoters will create videos that captivate your audience and drive results. Visit us at videoters.com to get started. Want to take your business to the next level? Hit subscribe button and let's go viral together.